A gas log fireplace is a clean-burning, fully contained fireplace unit that's growing in popularity, and it takes a number of skilled craftspeople to make one. It provides instant warmth at the flick of a switch, and having one will save you the task of heading out on a cold winter night to chop timber. To make a gas log fireplace, they first screw fittings to a gas control valve. Then the valve and gas pilot to the frame. The gas pilot is a small flame that burns continually, enabling you to ignite the gas instantly. They cap the control valve with knob extensions that allow the user to control the flame intensity from outside the fireplace. Next, they install burners and orifices. The orifice controls the gas flow in each of the burners. They attach an electrical connection from the gas pilot to the control valve. Adjust the length of the gas pilot supply line and screw the line to the control valve. Finally, he attaches the line to the gas pilot. The fireplace's ignition system is complete. For safety, workers attach a device called a thermocouple to the control valve. If the flame ever goes out, the thermocouple cuts the gas supply. The unit now undergoes testing to ensure that there are no leaks. What's a fireplace without logs? Even if they're replicas of the real thing. This factory makes artificial logs from a mixture of fire-resistant ceramic fibers and a liquid resin that binds the fibers together. Workers attach a log-forming mold to a pumping arm, then immerse the arm in the mixture. The mixture fills the mold cavity. The mixture is soft when it comes out of the mold and is held together by the dense interwoven layers of fibers. They trim off the excess fiber and place the log on a baking rack. Then it's into an oven at 232 degrees Celsius for 5 hours. When it comes out, it's as hard as a log. Workers remove the sharp edges with a rasp. Then dip the log in a mixture of binder and heat-resistant paint. This is the base color. Over that, they hand paint details replicating the look of charred wood. They bake on the paint, making this decoration permanent. And it'll have no problem taking the heat. The paint can withstand up to 1260 degrees Celsius. Back in the testing department, workers calibrate and verify the mechanism that adjusts the fireplace flame. They use a flow meter to verify the rate at which the gas flows. The back burner produces a yellow flame, while the front burner gives off a reddish glow. Combined, they look more realistic. Workers package the individual components and include some lava rock. It simulates a bed of ashes underneath the logs. It all adds up to a beautiful, cozy fire at the flick of a switch.
grow up, no I don't take shit, I got no